Good day, everybody. My name is Jara, and I want to introduce you guys to this bag right here that I purchased from Macy's. This is by the brand INC, and this is a beautiful, soft, camel colored tote bag. And let me tell you guys, I love this bag. This is my first time carrying a Sherpa bag, and you guys, I am really enjoying this carry. I decided to go ahead and adorn her with this beautiful red color pom-pom. So my theme for this bag is the camel color and red. So let's get started with what I have inside. All right. So as you can see, we have a partial chain strap here, and with the faux leather at the top. And here's all sides of it. The bottom. And inside. Ta-da! This is how I have her stuffed. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is from the inside pockets, my usual, my tissue, my Kleenex, tissue, an ink pen, and a piece of paper. Guys, I'm trying to hurry and do this video because this is a Tuesday morning, and I'm off work for a few hours because I have a eye doctor appointment. I've been having problems with my eye, so I thought I'd slip in a quick video for you, so I'm going to try to go fast. So anyway, the other pocket, I have my Hemp's buttercream birthday cake lotion that I'm into right now. Here's my lip product. I'm wearing it now. It's just a slightly tinted lip gloss. I ordered this from Target. And then the perfume I'm falling in love with, which is Prada Paradox, is here. I love this perfume. This is full bottle worthy in my opinion. So that is all that I have in those slip pockets. Okay, so in the back zipper pocket, I am going to pull out my bandana that I use just as a cloth, my phone, my keys, and I have, this is my keychain. This is a leather tassel keychain here, and I have a whistle on my keychain for safety purposes. And then I have my Conair mirror. And then inside of the pocket, I am trying my best to learn to keep the tags that come with my purses. Let me show you guys. Here's the tag. This. Okay. And then that is all that I have in the back zippered pocket. Okay, so now let's go into the main compartment. I have my taser. Same old, y'all. My cotton nail wipes and my wet ones that you guys see in a lot of my what's in my bag videos. It just works for me, okay? So I just stick with what works. My eyeglass case, along with the matching coin case, and I do keep coins in here. Oh yeah, you guys, let me mention this. I have earned more subscribers, and I want to say to you guys, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I highly appreciate it. I am so happy. I am satisfied with my growth, and hopefully in the future I can earn more subscribers. So if you like what you see so far in this video, don't hesitate to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button for me. Then that way I know that you enjoy it, and you can show it to me by thumbs upping, giving my video a like, and subscribing. Okay, moving forward with what is inside of the main compartment. All right, so here's my wallet, which is just a random, kind of like a no-name brand, red Saffiano leather wallet that I picked up from Nordstrom Rack a while ago. And it just looks like this, typical, what is this, trifold wallet here. So this is by 14th, I think it says 14th Reunion. So that's my wallet. And then I have my medicine pouches here, and I have my normal stuff in here, just eye drops, pain reliever, bandages, stuff like that. Then I have my AirPods, and then I have some keys to family members, places, and things like that I have stuffed into this little pouch here. And then I have my Kipling pouch right here. I think this is a pencil pouch, but I am using it as a kind of like a catch-all and my little snack pack. So I have a variety of things stuffed in here, you guys. So I have a handkerchief, I have a mask. I still wear a mask. One of the very few people in my building at work who wear a mask, but I wear a mask in public. A lighter. And then I have some lens wipes. And then I have candy. I have some Harry and David raspberry flavored truffles for when I just need that extra little something something. Y'all know I love chocolate. I try not to eat it a lot because it'll give me the make my stomach hurt a little bit if I eat too much of it, but I love the taste of it. Another mask. And then I have some of these cotton candy soft mints that I got from my friend Robin, along with the Tic Tacs that she sent me. And then I have some Ricola, what are these called? Cough drops. I have a couple of Reese's Pieces in here, Reese cups, little miniature Reese cups. I always drop stuff. And what other? There's something else. Oh, my Heath bar, the little miniature Heath bar. And I also have my knife. So that is all that I have in this little Kipling pouch. Oh, and let me mention real quick. I also have a air freshener, this Mentos bubblegum scented air freshener. So I stick it in the bottom of the bag like that, and it makes my bag, the inside of my bag, smell like bubblegum. I love it. Okay, you guys, this is everything that I kind of like had in my bag, and I hope you enjoyed watching this What's in My Bag on this fuzzy, wuzzy, so soft bag. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I am going to do a few videos, some unboxing videos that one unboxing video that I got coming up here real soon. I'm just waiting on one more thing to come in. I am so excited to show you something. It'll be my first bag from a contemporary designer that everybody is familiar with. I don't want to say too much right now, but anyway, stay tuned, and thanks you guys for joining me. Mwah, 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 mwah.